dedicate in a sentence. Pag ginamitan ng glue yan, siguradong dedicate yan. Delicacy in a sentence. Bagal mo? Dali kasi. Mahuli na tayo. Use mention in a sentence. Use it. Wow, laki ng bahay nila. Parang mention. Use effort in a sentence. The airplane landed to the effort. Punctuation in a sentence. Daddy, pasukan na namin next week. Kailangan ko ng punctuation. Saan nagtatrabaho ang mga isda? Eh di sa office. Corny. Use commute in a sentence. Dati, cute lang ako. Ngayon, lalo akong commute. Use nanay ni Wally in a sentence. Use it. Nanay ni Wally knocks forever. Ang corny.